This video is recorded for people that want to check out Upper Dinkey Creek. From Shaver Lake, the town of Shaver Lake, take Dinkey Creek Road and go back to a left turn. It's called Rock Creek Road. Follow that up a dirt road about 5 miles to a turnoff to a quarry to the right, which if you drive down is pretty brushy, but there's an open area and the trailhead starts there to the very downhill to the left. There are various footpaths that lead down to Upper Dinkey Creek, and once you're there, it's just a beautiful walk up the creek. This is cross-country work, so it's only for hikers that are willing to take on that responsibility, and this video is taken obviously in the late fall with not high water. Where the video ends, we opt to do a cross-country back to the car, and we start off to the left there on that bench, and we're able, with a GPS, to just work our way back to the car. It's pretty open country. Didn't take that long. It was a lot of fun. These last two screen prints are our route that I did on All Trails, and you can see to the left was down to the river, and you cut off a little bit diagonally. You don't have to go all the way down Cow Creek. And then the trail on the top was the way we came back cross country. I'm leaving this vague because it's up to you which way you want to go. Like I say, it's cross country, so it's your responsibility, but you can see what can be done.